Hello everyone, welcome to my web development course. In this lesson, I will teach you custom shape in HTML5. Type here ctext that begin path, then ctext that move to 170, then 80, then ctext that bezier curve to 180, 100, 200, 210, then 130. Then see, let's copy this 6 times. Copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then let's change the value 200, then 200, then 280, then 205, then 380, then 180. Next is 520, then 280, then 620, then 150, then 490, then 160. Next is 600, 100, 450, 410, then 250, 25, 290, then 30, then 200, then 30. Next is 150, then 65, then 120, then 80, then 200, then 50, then ctext that close path, then ctext that line width equals 4, then ctext that stroke, then we're done. Then save it, refresh your browser, and this is the custom shape in HTML5. And that's it guys. See you guys in my next lesson. Thank you.